Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom site URL in logo image in editor in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see logo image. So we are going to add custom site URL. Now go to Elementor editor and then you see image. So click on it and then you see edit image. So we are using image widget and then you see choose image. Also you see link, drop down select media file custom URL. So select custom URL and then you see link. If you want you can add your website link and then you see link option. So click on it and then you see open a new window and also if you want you can add no follow. Now you see dynamic tag. So click on it and then you see site URL. So click on it. So this is our custom site URL. So we don't add any custom URL. We use dynamic tag with site URL in image widget, in logo, in Elementor WordPress and then click on update. Now update done, go to website page. Now you see logo not working. Now refresh the page. Now open any other page and then click on logo image. Now you see home page is open by adding custom site URL using dynamic tag. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.